Good morning everyone. We are group C Tronauts and today we will be presenting our project on PhoneBook. We hope you find our work informative and useful. Here is the introduction of our PhoneBook application. This application is designed to manage personal contact information efficiently. The system stores details such as name, phone number and email IDs. It supports features like searching, editing and exporting contacts. The contacts are saved to a file so that the data is preserved even after the program is closed. The problem statement for PhoneBook application goes like this. Traditional phone books do not provide flexible searching, editing or backup features. The main objective of our application is to develop a simple and efficient contact management system, implement file storage for preserving data, and provide features like add, edit, delete, sort, search, export and backup. Tools and technologies used are we have used C language, GCC compiler. Here is the flowchart and it goes like this. And the algorithm for PhoneBook program follows the steps like start program, initialize variables and load contacts from the file, show password prompt. If password is correct, then it displays the main menu. In main menu we can see the following choices: add new detail, view all contacts, search by name, search by phone number, edit, delete, sort all the contacts, export contacts to CSV file and backup of a PhoneBook file. Repeat main menu until exit is selected. Save all contacts to file and exit the program and then the program ends. Here we are running the code and you can see that our program is password protected. No unauthorized user can access it. Now we have to add a contact. We have selected option 1. We are writing name, mobile number. Limits of mobile number goes from 7 to 15. Here we have given option of email ID, which is also an optional. Here you can see we have added our contact first successfully and provided ID 1 to it. Now another contact number, name, email ID. Here you can see ID 2 also has been added successfully. Now we are adding third contact. Now we have selected option 2, which is view all contacts, and here are all the 3 contacts we have saved. Now I have selected search contact by name, which is third option. I have searched for Suraj and here are the phone number and his email ID. Now the option 4th goes like search contact by phone number. We are entering the exact match of contact number which we want to search. Now the option 5, delete edit contact by ID. By entering ID name we can edit contact. Here it goes like Suraj, from Suraj to Suraj Jha, new phone number, and we have updated contact successfully. Now option 6, for deleting contact by their ID. I want to delete first contact and select yes, and yeah, contact deleted successfully. Now we are selecting option 7, option 8, export to CSV file. Here you can see our all the contacts has been exported to CSV file, and now we are selecting option 9, which goes like backup data file. Backup has been created as PhoneBook backup.txt file, and option 10, exit application. Now important code snippets and their explanations. First is data structure and global state. Here we have used contact struct, which defines the blueprint for a single contact record. storing the necessary fields. Contact pointer name phone book max contact. This is the core data storage. It is an array of pointers to contact struct. This design allows for dynamic memory management, allocating and freeing the contacts on the heap, and easy rearrangement by just shifting pointers, not the entire data structures. The second one is file input output for persistence. Here metadata first. The first two lines written to the file are the next ID and the contact count. This is essential for the loading function to know where to start the IDs and how many contacts to expect. Sequential saving. Each contact's 4 fields ID, name, phone number and email are saved on separate lines, making the file structure simple and easy to pass during loading. Now the third one goes like dynamic allocation. Here a malloc function is used which dynamically allocates the required memory size for a new contact structure on the heap. ID assignment. Assign the current value of the global next ID to the new contact ID field, then increments next ID using the postfix increment operator ++ to ensure the next contact gets unique ID. The next one is array insertion. The pointer to the newly allocated structure new contact is stored in the next available slot of the phone book array. And the next snippet shows of search logic. Here case normalization we have used. Both the user's search term and the contact's name are temporarily converted to the lowercase using to lower in place function. This ensures the search is case insensitive. And the next we have used is str function. This function is used for locating a substring within a string. The standard C library function str hashtag and needle is used. It returns the pointer to the first occurrence of the needle in the hashtag contact name. If the search term is found anywhere in the name partial match, it returns a non-null pointer, triggering the output. And the fifth snippet is for sorting the contacts. We have used qsort function, a powerful C function that requires a comparison function. Now compare contacts by name. This function is a complex because qsort passes pointers to elements being sorted. Since the main array phone book holds contact pointers, A and B are effectively double pointers. It dereferences them twice to access the name, normalize the case, and use strcmp to return the sort order. And the sixth code snippet is of deletion and array management. Here, the free function. Use of free function is the memory allocated for the specific contact struct on the heap is released immediately to prevent memory leaks. Array shift. A simple loop shifts all the pointers after deleted index one position to the left. This efficiently removes the gap created by the deletion. Now the nullify the last slot. The pointer at the end of array, which is now a duplicate of the previous pointer, is set to null to keep the array clean. And the last one is contact count decrement. The overall contact count is reduced. And these are the code snippets we have used in our code. And now here are the key learnings we have learned from our project and some problems we have also faced. The first one is the problem we faced during this project was in the section of file handling. Second one was in saving backup data for phone book application. Now we overcome these obstacles by taking the reference from our modules and taking some help from AI tools too, like ChatGPT and some other AI models. And yeah, finally this is our project of C programming in our first semester, created by KSHITIJ, Shashank, GAUTAM and VIKRAMADITYA. Thanking you, the team C Tronauts.